Hello and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I hope to finish my sweet little gratitude journal. I'm going to put a few things in here and hopefully be finished. What I'm going to start with are these pockets. And what I'll end up doing is putting one in the front. And I have 3 of them, so I'll put one sort of in the middle, maybe right there, and one near the end. I sort of have an idea of how I want to decorate them. Where's my 3rd one? Here it is. What I would like to do is, I know I want to use this paper, but I may change my mind. I don't really have any blue, so I want to use this little girl, her, and these flowers. And then what I will do is use maybe this paper with her, and I already picked out a green, which is maybe my other pad. Let me see. Yes, I've been primarily using these same patterns throughout this journal. So this is the green I want to use, and I want to use a piece out of here. I don't want to use this part. And I would also, like I just said, use this color. And then I hope to add some of these cute little sayings and maybe a ticket or 2. So let's get started. So I want to cut out these 3 images. So I will put stickers on these cards in a minute, but first I want to cover these. Okay, I would like to use her, and I think I have a ticket I want to use. I think I want to use these mushrooms. Let's see how this looks. I kind of like it overhanging. And then we could put the mushroom ticket. Maybe we'll center it more like that. That looks nice. Okay, this is what we're going to do. So this one glues first, second, third. Just going to glue the bottom, because I do not want to glue the top to the piece where I insert the book card. Now we put the doily, just a little snippet of doily. I think that looks sweet. This is so fun. I usually have a rough idea of what I want to do, but then sometimes I have an idea that I like to change, and then it turns out kind of neat. I wing a lot of it, but I also have a pre-plan a lot of the times when I put something together. But I leave lots of room to wing it. And this one, I knew I wanted to use these two, but I wasn't quite sure. And I knew I liked this ticket because of the light blue color, but I did not know how I was going to make it happen. There we go. Okay. I'm also running out of glue. I tend to be liking this tacky glue a lot. It's just hard to push. Okay. So here's this. This looks cute. Okay, last one, which is going to be this yellow, and I want to use, I have Autumn Celebrate. Let's do Celebrate. I like Grateful, but sometimes another word looks better for what I'm doing. I want this to be more Celebrate than Grateful on this particular card. Now, I had planned to use this green because I think that's nice, but I'm thinking about this doily because I like the lighter look to it. I'm going to use the doily. I love that. That makes me happy. Okay, just like that. That'll look nice. Just front and center. So we have Celebrate, Autumn, and Give Thanks. So these turned out all different, but all very cute and unique. What I want to do is the cards. I have some stickers, and let's see what I can do with them. Okay, on the Autumn one, I might use some of these. So let's go ahead and get started with the Autumn. Okay, so for autumn, I do not want to put any stickers below this, so I will just decorate it like this. So I've got a big bird. That bird's kind of big. I don't think I want to use that. Let's try maybe the eggs. Okay, no egg, just the butterfly. That looks sweet. Let's do celebrate, which here I can only use this much. Let's use some cute little foxes or leaves or toadstools. Let's see. I'm going to use this bunny. Okay, that is adorable. And I will also put maybe a leaf. Our final one is give thanks. Oh, this will be cute. We could use the little owl. He's kind of beigey, so he does not fight with the other colors. Here are our 3 cards. We have give thanks, celebrate, and autumn. On the opening page, we will do autumn. On the last page, you have falling leaves. We could do here. And for the middle one, the blue, we will put that in the middle. And then when you turn the page, you have some pretty blues here. This is my favorite one. Okay, now I want to add a few tabs. So I'm going to start with the ribbons. This blue, I wonder if I could put it, oh yeah, that looks good, that looks good. I like this. So I'm going to put this one here. I also have this little fussy cut. How about this? Oh, this looks cute. So I could put her here, or I could put her on this. That gives her a little 3D effect. I think I really like her here. I'm gonna put her here. And mainly she's just gonna stick on the turkey part and a little bit of her head. I like her because it looks like she's not too sure of the fiddling playing tree, but she still likes it. Does she have a hatchet? Yeah, she needs to drop that. Okay, what else do we have? I've got these little tabs. I think I know I have these. So these are little tickets that I printed out, and I added some paper to the back. Nice. Okay, I think I have another one of those. So where do I want to put this other one? Let's put it all the way over here somewhere. Okay, now I have a sort of a plaid. And there are our tabs. They look so good. I think so. Okay, let's see. I've got a few more tabs. I have this quote, which I love. It says, "There is harmony in autumn and a luster in its sky," by Percy Shelley. I want to put that at the beginning. Here we have that adorable cover, which I had put the doily over. So we have these adorable toppers and this cute little flower. And then on the opening page, we have a library card. We have this quote by Shelley, "There is a harmony in autumn and a luster in its sky," by Percy Shelley. I added some stickers and some washi tape. Here is one of my favorite pages. The original book. This book was so much fun to make. I can't tell you. It was just the perfect size. It was petite, but it had enough room to put things like, this is a leaf. My son had found that, and it was so much fun to add it to this cute little journal. I think she's adorable, and I am glad I glued it onto this little piece. It sort of gives it a 3D effect. Added a little squirrel for her. This is a card I got from somebody. It fits perfectly here. What I love is when the pages turn, you can still see all the tabs. How pretty they are. This is one of my favorite pages too. I just love this sweet sky blue. I like the little arrow tab. And then here we say, from F. Scott Fitzgerald, "Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall." There's a little butterfly there. Look at that turkey. There is still plenty of room for me to journal in later on, probably next fall, because I have finished this, and it is now December. So I am ready to work on some Christmas things, but I wanted to finish this up. I didn't want to wait until next fall to finish it because I was so excited and I had so much fun. And I'll look at journals on YouTube for all seasons. It gets exciting when the season is there, but truthfully, I mean, anytime I watch the YouTubers with their journals, I just have the best time. I'd rather watch journals than a show on television, truthfully. They're so inspiring. And this is our last page. It's a little sleepy fox. He's tired now. Don't forget to celebrate. And there we have it. Thank you all so much for joining me. I had such a great time making this journal. Look at how cute these sides are. Again, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.